I'm working on mainly the analysis of defects in semiconductors and also some degradation mechanism of various semiconductor optical devices like semiconductor lasers and LEDs, light emitting diodes. And I've been working on these subjects for more than 40 years.
I work with organic photovoltaics. I'm currently working on studying the physics behind charge transfer states and free carrier generation in organic solar cells. So right now I'm working on a theory of non-thermal site occupation at donor-acceptor interfaces in organic charge transfer or organic photovoltaics.
I work on the synthesis of metallic nanoparticles. This is developed on a method that was done in our laboratory, which for different applications. The main application that I'm working in is in catalysis.
I'm currently working on modeling bimetallic catalysts for application in heterogeneous catalysis.
So I'm currently working on thin films, oxide thin films, essentially on perovskites and niobates for different applications, because these materials are multifunctional, so it's possible to have applications in ferroelectrics domain field, for telecommunications.
I work primarily in the area of surfaces and interfaces of electronic materials. And currently we're working on many different systems, but one of them in particular is zinc oxide and zinc oxide nanowires.